What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Now, you might remember this vehicle from a few months ago. We put a real crazy paint job on it, but if you had a keen eye, you'll realize we never actually finished it. We actually didn't do the roof. So today, I'm going to show you the vehicle I'm talking about, and we're going to do a cool little project on the roof. No, your eyes are not deceiving you. This is my wife's 2000 Honda CR-V done in Delta Colorshift Pearl over a Rust-Oleum base. Yeah, you heard that right. This is a Rust-Oleum Colorshift paint job. Never seen another one like it, but it looks awesome. Today, we got a few little projects we can get done on it, mainly the roof. She wants to Colorshift bomb it. You've heard of Pearl bombs and splatter bombs and all that type of stuff. Well, we're going to Colorshift bomb it. And probably throw some other pizzazz on it. Who knows what we'll do. We're calling this a galaxy roof. So we're going to get into today's project. Let me show you what we're working with. What you doing, sweetie?
Taking the mirrors off so we can color bulb them too.
Alright. And we're dropping screws. That's alright. Them is bloopers. Alright, guys, so this is the materials we're going to be using today. You might notice that 7000 clear is gone and we've got some Nason clear. Now, this is the good clear, the 2K urethane. Excellent UV protection. It's going to last a long time. That's what we did for the rest of our CR-V in. And this clear, if you buy it over the counter, is about $150 your cost. Obviously, I get a discount because, as most of you guys know, I do work at a parts store, a paint store. But the budget clear, what you really want to use for you guys, the easy way to order off Amazon is the Speedo Coat 2K. I'll put a picture up, but more importantly, if you want to use that clear, I got a link down in the bottom of the description. You just click on that link, it takes you straight to it on Amazon, and you can buy it there. I think it's about $80 shipped, which is a really good deal. It's right on par with the Tractor Clear, which that Tractor Clear is no good. Stay away from Tractor Supply Clear. No UV protection, and it's a horrible mess. But anyways, getting back into today's video, we have the Nason Clear 2K urethane, and we got a variety of different color shifts. We got a little sample box of it. That's in the link in the description too on Amazon if you want to buy that. And of course, we got the glitters from our battle. But anyways, we're going to throw all kinds of stuff up there on this roof today, guys. We're just going to have fun with it, and that's what most of this stuff's all about. Just spending time with my wife, and hey, let's make some cool paint job stuff. So anyways, I'm going to quit yapping. We're going to go and get into the project. First thing we got to do today is run a piece of plastic over the whole car so that we don't get overspray everywhere. I don't want to mess up the Colorshift paint, and then we'll be ready to sand it really good, and we'll get to doing our thing with the Colorshift stuff and making a galaxy roof. So let's get on into it. Alright guys, while she's over there taping up the mirrors, if you want to know one of the big reasons why we're doing this whole galaxy roof thing, it's because her roof is not in the best shape. Obviously this is an SUV, so it's pretty high up. She had a few little rust spots that I sanded out, and this thing has had a little bit of hail damage before, a few dingers on it, and I really don't want to spend the time to go through doing all the crazy fixing, so I just figured let's have a fun project with it. And by the time we do all this and the roof racks on it and everything, you're not really going to notice the difference, but it will look really, really cool when the sun hits it. So it was just a cool, fun project idea, and we're going to get into it. Next is sand the rest of it down with 600, get it smooth. I'm gonna touch up a couple spots and then we'll be ready for the fun stuff. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so the next step after sanding everything down, we ended up using 320. It'll be fine. Like I said, the roof's already black. We're just scuffing up the clear. That's why it looks kind of hazy like that. If we had cut through to the paint, well, you would notice it more, as you can see with those spots I fixed. But anyways, we're gonna wipe it down with some Prep All, and we'll be ready for the fun stuff. What you doing, baby?
I'm doing the mirrors.
We are scuffing the mirrors up really good with 600, guys, so that she can color bond those too. All right, let's get back to the roof. Alright guys, so by now you're probably wondering, Jonathan, what's your game plan? How are you going to pull this off? Well, this is the way I'm thinking. I had spot shot everything with a little bit of black paint just for coverage, and what we're going to do is we're going to mix up some clear, just straight clear, and first coat's going to be a dust coat over the entire roof. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the various color shifts, whatever she wants to throw on it, and we're going to throw it on there and just oddball it any direction we want. And then after that, we'll let everything tack up really good, and then we'll seal it with 2 coats of clear. And that'll be it. So that's how we're going to do it. First step is let's mix up some of this clear and let's get into it. guys, well there you have it, a one-of-a-kind Galaxy Bomb roof. Now, I've seen Pearl jobs on all kinds of stuff. Obviously, we've all seen the Pearl Bomb jobs done by Dip Your Car and stuff like that, but not to this level where we threw flakes at it, we threw Colorshifts at it, we threw all kinds of different stuff at it, and we made an absolute mess of my shop. We got glitter everywhere. Can somebody call in the cleaners, because we're going to need it. It looks like the ending night at a strip club, really. I mean, there's glitter everywhere. But it's all in good fun. How did you like it, sweetie? You enjoy your new roof and mirrors?
I do. I enjoy painting it and throwing the paints at it.
That's all that matters, guys. We made an absolute mess, but it's all in good fun, and she loves it, so that is all that matters to me. But I appreciate you guys for watching. If you do want to do a color shift job of your own, or you need some clear, anything for your future project, hit my link down below. It'll take you to my Amazon store where you can find all the products used in this video and every other video and pick up some for yourself. But guys, I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. This is Nora, my wife, and we'll catch you guys on the next episode. God bless, and I'll see you next time.